Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for 3rd standard students. Yes children, today I am here with a new topic that is called picture competition. Before going to that, we will just revise the passage that we have completed in the previous video, that is the clever donkey. You know children, there was a man called Pandu and he used to live in the village. Then what happened one day? He fell sick. He was supplying milk to the village people. Yes. One day he fell sick and he had a donkey in his home. Even the donkey also every day it used to go with the Pandu. Every day with the Pandu. Suddenly one day what happens? Pandu will fell sick and both husband and wife, they started thinking how to deliver the milk to the customers. Then one day, Pandu's wife, she will tell to Pandu that, shall we send the donkey alone with the milk? Then Pandu will ask, how is it possible? Then she said, we will pour the milk in the vessels and we will keep that vessels on the back of the donkey. And then we will send. Then we can write a board also because the animals can't speak. So they thought of writing a board, both of them, that collect the milk and put the money in the bag. So they did that. The board was ready. They poured all the milk in the vessels and they sent the donkey alone to give the milk to their customers. And now the donkey was knowing the route very perfectly because every day the donkey was going with Pandu. So, the donkey was knowing the route. Then, Pandu, he sent the donkey to deliver the milk to the customers. Then so happened, now how the donkey should call the customers? What the donkey did? The donkey went near the door of the customer. It pulled the doorbell with the help of the teeth. And then the customers came out. They opened the door. They came out. And they read the board hung in the donkey's neck. Please collect your milk and put the money in the bag. Yes. Then the customers, they collected the milk and they put the money in the bag. In this way, the donkey, it went to all customers and it delivered the milk to all the customers. Then all the milk vessels were empty and the bag was full of money. Then with that, the donkey went to Pandu's house back. And there, the Pandu and his wife saw all the milk vessels were empty and the donkey had brought all the amount very correct. Then Pandu said to his wife, see how clever donkey we have. How we train the animals, they get trained the same that only. So, with this, we wrote some of the question answers. That is, where did Pandu live? What work did he do? Pandu lived in a village. Pandu supplies milk to the village people. Then next, why did they want to send donkey alone with the milk? Because one day Pandu fell sick. So they sent the donkey alone to deliver the milk. Then what was written on the board hanging around the donkey's neck? The board was written that please collect your milk and put the money in the bag. What did the donkey do to make each villagers come out? The donkey went near the customer's door. It pulled the bell with the rope. With the help of the teeth, the donkey pulled the bell rope. The customers came out. They read the board hung in the donkey's neck. They took their milk and they have put the money in the bag. Yes. And then, what did the villagers do when they saw the donkey? Same I said you know. They read the board and they took the milk. They collected the milk and then they put the money in the bag. Like this way, they have completed the work. Yes. Now today, I am back with the new story, that is the picture competition. Here children, describe the following picture with the help of the given words. Yes, They have given the words family, receive, old couple, parents, walking stick, man, help, helping, train and crowded. Crowded means gadla. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಂತೀವಿ crowd ಅಂತೀವಿ. Yes. So children, when you want to travel, yes, you want to go to Bombay, Delhi, Hubli, Dharwad, you travel by different types of transports. Yes, first you travel. Some people they travel by train. Some people they travel by bus. Some people they travel by flight. Yes or no? And some people you travel in your own vehicle when you want to go from one place to the another place. But when you want to go for the foreign countries, then we travel by flight. So here children, what happened? Here, this is the story of the railway station. Yes. When you want to travel by bus, you go to the bus station. When you want to travel by train, you go to the railway station. And when you want to travel by flight, you go to the where? Airport. Yes. So these are the stations where we go when we want to travel. But today we are going to study about the railway station. Yes. How do we go and what all things we can see in the railway station we are going to study today. So here let me once show you the picture of this story. Yes children. Now here you can see the picture. Yes. Now describe the following picture with the help of the given words. These are the words children. Family, receive, old couple, that is in bracket they have mentioned parents, and then walking stick, man, helping, train and crowded. These are the words. Now here down you can see the picture children. What is the picture here? Yes, now you can see it very clearly. See here. Here, this is the railway station children where the train has stopped. Yes, the train is moving or the train has stopped children? The train has stopped. Yes children, and you can see here the person is standing. Yes, and here you can see the father and the baby are sitting inside the train looking at the window. And here you can see a man is carrying the luggage, he is lifting the luggage. And here you can see the boy is sitting on a suitcase. And here you can see a grandpa and a grandma are getting down from the train. And here you can see a person is helping this old couple. And here you can see these both are the young couple, father and mother of this daughter, this girl. And here backside you can see the people are sitting. Here also you can see the people are standing. Here also you can see the person is standing near the door of the train. So this is the picture children. Yes, this is the picture. Now what we have to do, with the help of this picture only and with these words we have to construct some sentences. Here you can see children what the man is doing here with the luggage. The man is carrying the luggage. He is helping the people to carry their luggage. So he is called as a coolie. What we call coolie. Yes. And here you can see a man is standing here. And here the people are sitting in the train. Here you can see these two couple, that is a grandpa and a grandma. Both of them, the train has stopped and both of them, they want to get down from the train. From where? From the train. They want to get down from the train. And the man is helping them to get down. Why? Because they are too aged. Here you can see. These are the grandparents, the old couple. And these are the parents of this girl. And these people are receiving their parents. Yes, these man and women, they are receiving their parents. So they have come to the railway station to receive their parents. And here you can see, children, the old man is holding a stick. What he is holding? He is holding a stick in the hand. Yes, the old man. This is called a walking stick. What we call this? A walking stick. And here a girl is standing and a lady is holding a luggage in her hand. Yes. So you see, children, here many people are there now in this railway station. There are many people. So we call it as a crowd. What we call? We call it as a crowd, children. Yes. Now this, what we can do, by using this picture, we have to construct the sentences with the given words. Here you can see family. The family has come to receive their parents. We can write this also. The old couple is getting down from the train. The train has stopped on the platform. The grandpa is holding a walking stick. The man is helping the old couples to get down. The train has stopped, I said already. Helping also I used, and then crowded. The railway station is crowded. Yes, we can use these words and construct. Then use these words and then we can construct the sentence, children. Yes. Now, what we will do, with the help of these words, we will write some of the sentences. Yes, children. So first, already the name of the lesson is mentioned, children. Yes. Now let me write the sentences. Describe the following picture. The following picture with the help of the given words. The given words. Yes. The words given are here, children. I'll write on the board that also. That is, first one, family. Receive old couple. In bracket will write here parents. And then walking stick. Walking stick. The next is man. Helping. Train. Crowded. Yes. So, now first they have given family, receive, old couple, parents, walking stick, man, helping, train and crowded. Yes, these are the words. So, what passage we are studying, children? We are studying about the railway station. So, first sentence we will write the railway. Yes, what is it? Railway. So yeah, railway station. Station was, railway station is crowded. Crowded. Next. Second one. The train had stopped. The train had stopped. The train had stopped. The next, many are there. An old couple were using getting off the train. The next, an old man was using a walking stick. Then fifth one, an old man was using a walking stick. A man was helping the people to carry their luggage. And then this was, I have written only 5 sentences, children. Yes? One more sentence I can receive here. The family had come to receive the parents. The family had come to receive their parents. The parents, yes. So, this sentence I have completed, children. Now, you all have to write this passage in your textbook and send me the photocopy of it. Thank you, children. Have a great day.